In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Sfx Gelatin at home. For this Sfx Gelatin recipe, you will need gelatin, Ziploc bag, water, corn syrup, skin tone, ice cube tray, and a mixing bowl that is heat proof. Start off by pouring the corn syrup into a cup. Add the corn syrup into the bowl, then add equal amount of water into the bowl. Then mix it all up until it's one. You can make as much Sfx gelatin as you want with this recipe. After you are done, add in the gelatin. This will be equal amount to the corn syrup and water. Slowly add in little, then add in the rest of the gelatin. Mix all that up until there are no lumps left. This will take a minute. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Deadlight Studios for more Sfx gelatin videos just like this one. Once that is finished, put the 2B Sfx gelatin into the microwave. Microwave it for small amounts of time. Make sure to stir around every 10 to 30 seconds each time. Do this until the Sfx gelatin is fully a liquid. When the Sfx gelatin is all a liquid, then pour some into a separate bowl. Add your skin tone to the Sfx gelatin and mix it up. Now you will have Sfx gelatin with your skin tone ready to go. Now get out the ice cube tray and pour your Sfx gelatin into the tray. After all your Sfx gelatin is in, shake the tray to get rid of any air bubbles in your Sfx gelatin. Now, let the gelatin cool in the freezer for a little bit. Once about 15 minutes have passed, take out your Sfx gelatin and pop out your gelatin cubes. To store your Sfx gelatin, keep it in a Ziploc bag and in the fridge. Now that you have all the Sfx gelatin, what are you gonna make? Let me know down in the comments below. And as always, I'm Jake, and this has been Deadlight Studios. Thanks for watching and see you in the Deadlight.